Hey beauties, so I'm here in Los Angeles still, and I thought today would be the perfect day to kind of give you guys a little bit of a home tour of our house here in LA. It is beyond stunning. I truly can't believe my eyes, and every day I wake up and I'm like, how in the world did this happen to me? I'm like, what? This is amazing. But dreams really do come true. I've dreamed of this type of life for my entire, since I was little, because I grew up in the city, in New York City, in the Bronx, and so I used to always dream of this kind of thing. Like, we have the dogs here, there's so many dogs here, the sun, the trees, it's just so beautiful. Everybody is so nice here, so this truly is a dream come true. And so let me go ahead and just give you guys a quick tour. So guys, can you believe this, but this is the window outside of our bedroom. So here's our bedroom. Look at those angel wings. I can't even believe my eyes. They're made out of selenium. I believe that's called that crystal. And I'm just like, are you kidding me? It's just so, they're gorgeous. And these windows, oh my God. And then this view. I'm just like, oh my God. And there's just like a million birds outside. Every day I see like all different kinds of birds. It's like a bird watcher's dream. And then here is another pair of French doors. And then these lead out into the terrace area. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So guys, it's January and it is that gorgeous out. So the doors open and then you can get outside. And actually, okay, let me try to show you guys really quick before the dogs try to come, but isn't this just gorgeous? And then this is the patio area. And then that's the front door over there. So it's just so gorgeous. I love how they painted the door. Even all of the houses that the people that built this house, it seems like I saw a few other houses that they made and they painted the other house pink. They put a pink door on it. So I have pictures I'll show you guys. It looks so beautiful, but they always do like incorporate pops of color. So I love that. So talented. So let me go back in to the bedroom and then I'll show you some more. So here, just want to show you guys this crystal headboard kind of decoration. And it's made out of all of that, you know, I believe it's called selenium. And it's kind of like they took the slices and I guess you could glue it. Oh, it's glued onto a board. So you could take your selenium and kind of like glue it onto a board and then kind of like form the angel wings. So I'm going to try to do that, guys, because I love it. And I don't know if you have ever seen, but selenium is supposed to attract like angel energy to you. So I thought that was really funny. And then I love this distressed wood headboard. And that's our view again. So here's my closet, guys. It's just a huge mess. So there it is again, guys. So I love the paintings, a pop of pink. And so down here is the bathroom. It's a little bit of a mess, guys. But here's the bathroom. And let's see, I'm pretty sure I look like a hot mess. I got my pajamas on, guys. But it's so funny. Ever since I've been in LA, I'm so attracted now. Like in New York, I was always wearing black and I just loved it. But now that I'm in California, I'm like, oh, I need pink everything. And I actually just made an order for Fashion Nova and I just ordered a ton of pink clothes. So I'm just like all about pink now. So, well, I need the bright colors. But there's these beautiful double door closets with all this shelving. And a little doggy door so they could go in and out. And then here's another bedroom. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a mess. Oh, this is the other bedroom, but it's a mess right now, guys. So we'll just leave that. And then here is, guys, I was wanting to show you this too. This is a chandelier made out of like feathers. And it's just like, it reminds me of like angel feathers, you know? And they're kind of like that pink blush color. So I'm just ever since I came into the house and I saw this chandelier and that selenium angel wing headboard, I was like, I have to show the babes this. So it has that beautiful vaulted ceiling. And our kitchen, it is a huge mess now, guys, though, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys really quick because I might not get a chance to show you again because we're going to be working. So, and then that's the outside. So this is the front door again. You want to come? Okay, take your diaper off. Come on. So guys, we gotta go get Lola. She got locked in here. Come here, mommy. So they're just so happy, guys. They love it. The dogs are just in heaven, being outside all day and playing, you know. And this is the yard. It's so gorgeous. But that's like another part of the property. There's a pool over there. Let me show you guys the pool area. So here's the pool. It's all covered up now, guys, for the winter, but you can definitely open it. It was open the other day. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to pop in and just give you a really quick tour of our LA home. I just cannot believe it. So isn't it just so gorgeous? So let me go, guys. I gotta go get ready. I gotta go get ready for work, but I'll talk to you guys later. Love you.